speak on behalf of all proud parents and guardians who are here today. Diligid masukod ang akong kalipay karong adlaw. This is a very special day, not just for our children, but also for us parents. Seeing them in their graduation gown, smiling, and reaching their dreams is a moment we will forever treasure in our heart. To the teachers, daghang salamat sa inyong pagpaningkamot o dedikasyon sa pagtudlo sa among mga anak. Thank you for your patience, for guiding them, and for creating a learning environment where they will feel supportive and encouraged. We are very grateful for your love and understanding. You did not teach them from books, but you helped them mold them into responsible, capable, and compassionate individuals. To Central Mindanao University, College of Agriculture, daghang salamat sa tanan. You have given our children not just knowledge, but also wisdom, discipline, and courage to face what lies ahead. This university has become a home that shapes in their future. To our children, mga anak, we are so proud of you. Awang nakita ang inyong katugi, ang inyong mga sakripisyo, o ang inyong paningkamot, bisan pa man sa kalisod, wa mo ni undang. You push through the hard days and continue to follow your dreams. Ayaw gid kalimot nga narami kanunay sa inyong luyo, nga inyong mga ginikanan, nag-ampo, nagsuporta o nagmahal kanunay. And to my fellow parents, guardians, congratulations kanatong tanan! This is also our achievement. We will beside our children through their struggles and victories. Kita ang ilang unang isaligan. Bisan pa man sa mga panahon nga gikapay na sila, we made quiet sacrifices, offer our country's prayers, and give them the strength they needed. Thank you for your love, patience, and for not giving up on them. And once again, congratulations to all graduates. This is your moment to shine bright and carry with you the values, lessons, and love for your family and your university. May God guide you in the next chapter of your journey. Daghang salamat and God bless us all.